So today we're going to be changing a throttle cable on a 2019 KTM 85 SX. We're going to need a flathead, a Phillip, a socket and ratchet, an 8mm, and a pliers. First thing I'm going to do is take the seat off so I can get to the gas tank. So now that I have this seat off, I can take the shrouds off now to take the gas tank off. Now that I have my shrouds off, I'm going to start taking the gas tank off. So now that I have my gas tank off, I can undo the bolts for the brace up top, and then I can undo this brace so then the throttle cable's like right here, and then I can turn the carburetor with 2 Phillips and then take that out. So now that I unloosen these bolts right here to turn the carburetor, so I can get these 2 screws off. Now you can undo these screws at the top, and then your throttle cable is right here. The easiest way to get the spring off is pull down on it and then kind of thread it off. That I put the throttle cable into the slide, I'm gonna put these bolts back on, and then screw this down, and then I'm gonna route the throttle cable underneath so it comes up right here, and it's gonna come up through here and then go right up to the brace. It's all back together.